What's going on, everybody? Kwaku here, back with another video. Today I have for you guys a very special start of a new long-running thing I've been wanting to do for a long time, and that is doing app reviews on other platforms, discovering all the apps that there is. Obviously, we won't get to all of them, but let's start with some of the niche platforms. And the first one here, you guys can't see it, but I'll show it in the next clip. We're gonna do an app review of one of the apps on this here fridge. It is a Samsung Family Hub refrigerator. And as you know, they have an app platform. There isn't an app store, but they have an app platform. They have apps built into the screen that is on this fridge. So let's jump into it. The first app of this long-running series. Let's get into it. So here we're taking a look first at the Spotify app here on the Samsung Family Hub refrigerator. And I'll just tell you right off the bat, it is a very simple application. It works very well, but it is very simple. For starters, this is the main screen that pops up when you've signed in or you've casted a device over to it. So in this case, I am casting my Galaxy Z Fold 3 to this screen here, and then it logs you in automatically. And then so you're already good to go in terms of everything that you want to do on it. So you can see this is my Spotify. Obviously yours will vary on whatever it is you want to do. You might be wondering where is now playing if you're playing a song and you want to refer back to it. Now playing is simply swiping down from the middle of the screen, and then you get the full now playing screen there. It's very straightforward. And then if you swipe up from here, from the good evening part or whatever time of day it is, you'll get back to this main screen right here. You can view your playlist, like my like songs playlist, and it'll start playing things from it. And then you can swipe over to play the next song and keep going on, you know, the Kanye West, the Saba, you know, a whole bunch of other things there if you want to do that. Also up here in this now playing view, you got your volume. So if you up the volume, it'll change the volume. If you press this button up here, it will also allow you then to connect to devices. So like this device right here, I believe is my phone right there, or it's the TV. I'm not exactly sure just yet, but it has devices in your household on your Wi-Fi connection that it allows you to connect to. And then up here, this simply goes to telling you if you want to log off or not, which I do not want to do. So if you ever want to do anything in here, like you see a pop-up come up, you just tap away and it'll go away. And then they have a back button here, which we are on the home screen. So basically so pressing the back button will actually take you back to the fridge's main screen here. So if we go to apps, we go to Spotify, we come back in to Spotify and it loads pretty quickly. Just real quick off the bat too, I know a lot of you might have been wondering this, who are nerds out there, what OS is this running? This is actually running, I think, Tizen 6 or Tizen 5 OS. I'll verify that in just a sec, but yeah, so this is essentially the most simple Spotify thing. You might wonder, how do I search on this thing? Is there a way to search on here? There are actually two ways to search on this refrigerator. For your songs, you can either press the Bixby button that is down here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a Bixby button down there. If you press it, you can tell it to play something. So I can say, play City of Mine on Spotify.
You'll have to log into Spotify before
and it'll tell you to log in once again. So if I hit continue, it'll say this app is operated by a service provider, and then you can hit OK, and then it'll tell you log into whatever your Spotify account is. There is a keyboard on here, on-screen keyboard. Does it have swipe? It does not, but there's an on-screen keyboard on here so you can log in and things like that. So in fact, let me log in real quick and then you guys can see more. Okay, so now that I am logged in, now you can see how to, say you can play a song via the fridge. The fridge has built-in Amazon capabilities as well as Samsung's, you know, their own BIX, XY, I believe, Bixby, kind of integration in it. So you can choose either or to play the song that you want. So for example, if I just press this button down here, this button just simply is the Bixby button, so I can press it. Play City of Mine by Snake City on Spotify. And there you go. You see that it is in fact playing this song on Spotify. And if I hit open in Spotify, it will push it up, the album art and everything like that. And I can pause it, I can favorite it, I can skip to the next track, I can what is it called? I can shuffle it and I can even repeat it all inside the fridge itself, and it'll also carry over on here my phone right here. So it's all nice. You can use your phone as the remote, or you can use the fridge as the primary device to use it on. Either way, you're able to just interact with the fridge's Spotify really easily. And then the other thing too is if you want to scrub between inside the song, this line right here is your scrub line. So if I press it, if I can even aim at it, there we go, come on. I'm struggling here. There we go. So in fact, I was having some trouble, so I had to swipe up, but you can even do that down here too if you want, but I just have some trouble. Seems like it doesn't want to work too easily, at least on the angle that I'm sitting on, or I'm standing on. But if you swipe up the angle, it works. It's not perfect. It's kind of janky a little bit, just a little janky, but overall it's pretty good in my opinion. And like I said, searching on here, you simply just use your voice. There is no search button. I kind of wish there was a search button though, because there is an on-screen keyboard. There is an internet browser in the fridge and everything like that. So you would think that they would have a search function in it. But what I've noticed with a lot of the apps on here, including the iHeartRadio app, is that they're all very simple and they just let you do kind of like the bare minimum on them. So I hope you like this video. Hope this is a new thing coming that I'm working on. There'll be a lot more introductions of new types of apps and different platforms that you may not have expected coming to this channel. And the first one here is Spotify on the Samsung Family Hub refrigerator. Take care everybody and have a good one.